Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from Garden Equipment Review. Today we're looking at the Stihl vacuum shredder conversion kit. Now this kit seems to be something that people seem to be looking at quite a lot. So I just sort of make a short video, and I've wrote this blog post earlier today. So let's have a look at what it's for, or what machines it fits. So first of all, it fits the BG56 model and the 86 model. Now, when I had my first Stihl blower 20 plus years ago, that actually came with the conversion kit, but you can buy them without them. It's definitely a useful asset. This conversion kit sells for £46.28 to be precise. That's saving around £31 on the retail price. So it's not silly money for what you get. You get quite a bit of value for money. You can see the small picture here, a couple of pipes, the bag where there's here. The bag's got quite a large tip on it that goes round, so it's very easy to empty. And the actual shredder part is, let's show you on here, is in here. So here it's got like a fan that sort of shreds up the leaves and twigs and things. Obviously it's not for doing sort of large jobs. You couldn't shred loads of stuff with it, but just for doing things like leaves, it does shred them a bit. And to be fair, if you're doing if I was clearing leaves, for example, on a large lawn, or even a smallish lawn, I would blow them into a collection point, barrow them away, or do whatever I'm going to do with them, and then just finish off with the bag to do that final tidy up. So ideally, it's like for small patio areas. Perhaps if you're blowing your patio, then you just got a few small corners you can't get in, then this is perfect. So let's just have a look at a few features. You can turn your Stihl blower into a mini garden shredder, and it is a very mini garden shredder. It's kind of a slight exaggeration. It shreds, but you know, you're only doing small leaves, tiny twigs and things, nothing big. With this accessory, you're making the most of your Stihl blower. The kit turns your blower into a vacuum and shredder. Takes the harder work out of cleaning your garden. Well, I'm all for making life easier in the garden, so this definitely helps. In fact, I rarely don't use a rake a huge amount in the garden. I tend to use a blower where I can, and a vacuum, because it's just so much easier. As I mentioned, easy to empty bag, and you can shred as you vacuum. But like I say, it is for small jobs. It's not meant for massive jobs. The blower, I don't know, they must have sold millions of these blowers. So many people use them. That can be used for large areas, but the shredding and vacuuming feature is just for small bits and pieces, really. So could be a useful option for your blower. But if you're thinking about moving loads of leaves, then you need to look at our like leaf sweepers or some other leaf vacuums or something that we have somewhere down here. Wheel blowers, wheel garden vacuums, that type of thing. But anyway, if you need more information, I'm here to help. I've also put this eBay link in here. Just be careful when you're buying on eBay. I believe that when I looked, there were definitely some on there, to be fair. Just be careful what you're buying from eBay, as always. I've got a box down here. If you need to leave a comment, please feel free to comment. I'm going to upload this video right now to YouTube and embed it in this blog post. So if you want to comment on YouTube, please feel free to do so. Thanks very much for watching.